It seems counterintuitive, but I always make sure I work out in the morning of an event day.
Hmm.
Um, I know it doesn't really add up on paper, but for me, mentally, physically, when I might keep it simple and just do like a 15-minute run on the treadmill and do some like
Hmm.
intervals and just get my heart rate up. And I use the run as like my warm up essentially
Yeah,
because when teams take the field, they warm up before they take the field.
I
And
like that.
you are physically performing on that day, running around, checking on food, checking on AV, checking on this, dealing with people. And if you have primed yourself for the day, much like in that book Spark, your brain your brain is ready to go, and you are going to be smart. You're going to be on top of things. You're going to be witty when you need to be, and handle the stress with ease and grace.
I like that. Now, here's the challenge because I do the same thing. Like they say that a 30-minute run it really primes you for being the most present and also focused on whatever the task happens after that. So I use that. And if I can get a workout in, even better. Sometimes probably workout happens at the end of the day after a very long day. But here's my question to you. Say you just